So let's check out how to solve this problem together. We've got negative 28 equals negative 3n plus 5. All right, a couple things going on here. But I always know where to start. I always start by drawing a line down so that I can separate my both sides. Woohoo! A line. Now, my first step looks like I would get rid of a 28, the minus 28. However, it's not getting rid of a negative 28 because there's something different about this problem. Do you see what's different? What makes this problem different than normal? If you noticed that the variable is on this side, and then you are correct. So here is our n. Usually our variable is on the other side, right? And that's why we usually work on the left. But we follow the variable. So if the variable is over here, then this is the side that we need to work on because we're trying to get the n by itself. That means in order to get that n by itself, I don't need to get rid of the negative 28. It's not bothering my n. What I do need to get rid of is this plus 5 and this times negative 3. Sorry about that. I don't even know what that is. Let's ignore it. I hope it goes away. So, well, it didn't go away. There we go. So, I need to get rid of that plus 5 and this negative 3 times n. Alright? So, we're going to solve this just like normal. We have to get rid of the plus or minus part first. Opposite order of operations. Right? So I have a plus 5. When I see a plus 5, the opposite of a plus 5 is a minus 5. So our first step is to get rid of the 5, the addition, by doing subtraction. And just like normal, I'm going to bring it down on what's left on both sides. It just so happens that over here is where my answer, this is my answer side, and this is my problem side. So on the answer side, I now have negative 28. And I'm making it more negative, negative 5. So I'm going to have a bigger group of negatives, negative 33. Okay, so negative 33 is equal to, now this makes a 0, so it's gone, but I still have to deal with this negative 3n. Now looking at the negative 3n, temptation is always to be like, okay, add 3. But this isn't subtracting. We're not taking 3 away from n. This is 3, negative 3 times n, because it's right next to the number. It's multiplication. Okay, so our second step is going to be to get rid of the multiplication. Right? We do that by dividing. And we divide by whatever it is we're trying to get rid of. So since I'm trying to get rid of a negative 3, I divide by negative 3. I do that to my problem and to my answer side. Just so happens that they're reversed here. Okay, then negative 33 divided by negative 3. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. And then 33 divided by 3 is 11. So positive 11 is equal to, now this is just 1n. It's gone. We canceled it out. So our answer is 11 equals n, or you can always change it. N equals 11. So when you see a problem like this, make sure you notice that the n is on the right side. So our problem is on the right. That's the side that we're going to be working on. Our answer is on the left. But we solve it the same way.